my name is Arnav of I'm a 5th grader at Quest Academy. And today I'm going to be presenting about my invention, BookMania. So last summer I was participating in the library's summer reading program, and I used to read 20 minutes every day and log it in their paper book log. 2 months in, I lost the log and I was super frustrated because all of my work had just gone down the drain, and I just wished there was a log that I could never lose. So then I started thinking, all my data is never lost. So I can't lose a Gmail email. I can't lose a Google Drive file. So if there was an online reading log, this would never happen. So that's where BookMania came. So BookMania essentially acts like an online reading log, and you can access your logs from anytime, anywhere, and you can also never lose them, unless you, of course, delete the log. So to understand this problem even more, I wanted to know, how big was it? Was it just me, or were there other people in the same boat? So I made a quick survey and sent it to some family, friends, and other fellow readers. And I received data that 85% of the people had the same problem. So that's when I knew I was onto something. And I thought there has to be something out there that can already do this. So I researched existing websites, and I found one which is super complicated and extremely expensive. So I decided to create my own, and I made a quick early sketch of it on paper, and here it is. There's a dashboard and an analog page, and I've also created a logo from scratch in Google Drawings. Take a second for you guys to look at it. So then I wanted to start building the website itself, and I used PHP for my backend and HTML and CSS for my front end. So now let's see how BookMania even works. So the user can connect from any device through the internet to our backend servers, and those, like any action the user takes, will be saved in the database, and at any time that information can get retrieved and displayed on the computer. I also designed the database in MySQL, as you can see here. So then I had to learn all of these coding languages, and after that I started developing the website. I developed the reader version first, and then the teacher version. And I also started on my local host server, it's called WAM server, and then I switched to an online hosting service called Hosting. So now I'm going to demo BookMania. The website address is book-mania.net, and as you can see here, here's our homepage. For the sake of this demo, I will not do a sign up in front of you guys, but signing up is really quick and easy, and we don't request much information. So as you see here, here's our dashboard, and you can add a log as well. So let's say I read Harry Potter in the Chamber of Secrets. I read 90 pages in 90 minutes, and I read on the 25th, which is today. So once I click submit, as you see, in this table which shows you all of the logs, my log pops up. I can also edit and delete this log. So here, if I go to edit log, let's say I only read 9 pages. And if I click submit, then the log changes. I can also go and delete the log on this details page. So it shows you a confirmation modal, and when you press delete, the log's gone. So I've also created a teacher version, but it's still in development and not ready to launch, so I'll just show you some screenshots of it. Here is the dashboard. You can add a class and see a list of your class as well on here. So here are the class details. You can add an assignment by filling out this form modal, and you can add a student in 2 ways. You can either manually create it, or you can send your students a class link or a class code. Here are some screenshots on the student page. On the student dashboard, a student can see all of their assignments that are due, and also past assignments. And when you click complete, redirects you to this page where you can attach a log and then mark the assignment as done. So I've been using Trello to keep track of my ideas, and I find it a very useful tool. Here's a picture of it. So, here's my development plan for BookMania. I plan to make reading fun by adding rewards and incentives for students to read more. So I plan to do this by adding different reading levels based on what type of book you're reading and how fast you're reading it. I also plan to add reading challenges and contests to add the aspect of competition to BookMania. So different classes can challenge each other, different students can challenge each other, and the possibilities are endless. I also plan to add statistics to BookMania, so school administrators, district administrators, and even teachers can view statistics and get insights on how to improve the reading curriculum. Thank you, and goodbye, paper logs.